just can't do it. I missed it last night. I always miss it. Just can't do it. It's just coffee. I know it's just coffee. I just can't make myself do it. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I get it. You don't understand. It's okay. You can't. Not if you've not been through it, not from the outside. I'll have to show you what it feels like from the inside. Okay. You're in my head, so you're going to start seeing things how they seem to me. Sorry. It might be hard to believe, but this is how I feel, and this is how the world seems to me most days. I'm warning you, this might not be easy. You can look around if you want. Sorry about the mess.
Literally cannot believe I seen them last night. Like, my favourite band, live. Coffee?
God, yes. 3 days trapped with my parents in Oban. Need a catch-up after that.
Steph, coffee?
The water is so calm, but it is bloody cold. And Steph, my mum is still going on about me not being able to persuade you to come.
That was amazing. Oh my god, Steph. She played pretty much every song from the album. Such a shame you couldn't make it and couldn't go at such short notice. Such a good gig.
Their food always looks amazing. I can never get mine to look like that. I'm just so frustrated. I wish that I could force myself to go along. I bet they won't even ask me to come on a night out again. I can't get involved when I feel like this. I literally feel like I'm looking from the outside in.
That's another 100 innocent people dead in a drone strike.
Look at this beauty. I did
Come
this.
on, you need to
Hashtag
sign
cake a
this.
day.
Government think testing on animals is still okay.
She said yes.
Goodbye, Nana.
Thank you for everyone that came along.
I doubt it will give you an extension, darling.
You were late again?
Excuse, you're
Can't
just
keep
stressed.
cooking for you.
You haven't started it yet.
I just feel terrible.
You know it's due on Monday.
Can't keep
Oh,
cooking
we
it.
all feel like that. We'll be fine tomorrow.
My nephew's
It's just too much sometimes. I can't.
I can actually remember.
Can't.
The
Smallest thing.
Thank you for
Pressure
everyone.
building up behind my eyes. The ringing. Stop. It's too much. I just have to turn it off. Please, just turn it off. Stop. Please stop.
Steph, coffee? Come on, join us.
She just doesn't get it. Or is she trying to help? I just don't think I can go, but I'm running out of excuses. Right, I need to go. I don't want to be missing out again. It might actually help. What are they staring at? Like a mess. Right, that's it. Stop. Just need my music. My headphones. I've forgotten them. Tangled in my keys. Why are they late? Should I go in order? No, I can't. I'll end up saying it wrong. Right, Steph, come on, it's fine. I bet they'll cancel. I bet they've got better things to do. I know she's annoyed that I never went last night. I feel like my brain's about to explode. Why is there a million things running through my head? I can't think what I did yesterday, 5 years ago, 10 seconds ago. What's this in my throat? What's that about? What the hell? Just stop! Stop! Just stop! They're here.
Oh my god, I am dying on a drink.
Me too.
Have you ordered?
I know she's annoyed that
gonna
I never went last
Oh, I
night.
don't know what I'm gonna get. So tell me, how was Open then?
Cold.
Yeah, typical.
Yeah, typical.
What did you get up to?
Board games, barbecue, went crabbing.
Come on, it's fine.
Interesting.
No.
Yep.
It was a hard day.
Yeah.
That's terrible service.
Would have been easier if you came.
How was the gig?
Oh my gosh, it was so good. I cannot believe you didn't come. You missed out. It was amazing.
I am gutted.
No, I'm not even over exaggerating. You missed out on one of the best nights. You always make everything about you.
Maybe next time then.
No, it won't be the same.
No?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a latte.
A latte.
Hello? Earth to Steph? Cheer up, mate. Yeah.
That's actually the
Definitely
worst thing that you
latte,
could
what
say
about
to
you?
me.
Yeah, long black, I
You
think.
just don't
getting
get
bits?
it.
Nah, I'm not gonna bother.
Cool, I'm just gonna go up and order then.
Cool.
Hi.
Steph.
Can I get a latte?
Steph. You alright?
Thanks.
What do you need? Right. I know you're not. I'm here for you. You don't have to do this alone. I'm always here for you. Honestly, if you want to leave right now, that's also fine. Look, I'll go and get some water.
Thank you, Tom. Thank you. It's not easy, and yeah, I have good and bad days, but it's always there. And there doesn't have to be a trigger. I understand, not everybody gets it. And I know that everybody can feel anxious. But for me, it's just a wee bit more than that. I wish I could snap out of it. But unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. It's frustrating, makes me angry, tiring. I can't focus. I overthink everything. And sometimes it's sore. Yeah, my head hurts. Even my bones ache from being so tense all the time. It can make you feel like you don't have a personality. And that really scares me. But I know more about it now. And I've got my ways of coping. And I know I've got people I can talk to. And I get there.